I installed 10 different operating systems on just one flash drive. It's so easy and everyone can do it. See, switching between OS setups used to be a huge pain. You need to format the USB again and again just to install different OS with one USB. We've all been there wasting time getting errors, wondering why isn't this ISO booting now? Even worse, if you used Rufus or any regular tool, the USB becomes unusable for anything else. But this tool named Ventoy flips the whole process. With Ventoy, you can make bootable flash drive by just drag and dropping the ISO to the USB. Ventoy doesn't flash ISOs, it loads them dynamically. With Ventoy, you can use it for quick disk rescue and install any OS you can imagine, without flashing USB again and again. Using Ventoy, you can keep other files on the same USB such as documents and pictures, etc. It also works on legacy BIOS and UEFI, and you can also customize the boot menu with your own icons, themes, and even plugins. After all, installing Ventoy is even easier. Just search Ventoy on Google and click the first link. Then head to Downloads page and select your operating system. Then just scroll down and download your OS-specific Ventoy. It will now download as a small zip file. Now right-click the downloaded file and click Extract to extract it. Go to the inner folder, click the Ventoy to disk, exe. This is the Ventoy GUI. You can use the additional features I mentioned earlier from the option menu. Before we install Ventoy onto the flash drive, make sure that the flash drive doesn't contain important data, because Ventoy formats the USB at the first installation. Now we can install Ventoy onto the flash drive. First, select your desired flash drive which you want to install. Then just click Install and click Yes. It's this easy. And Ventoy is successfully installed to your flash drive. You can confirm the installation by checking here. The final step is just copy the ISO files to the newly created Ventoy drive. Now copied some ISO files to the drive to test. Before testing out the Ventoy, there's one important thing you really need to know. This partition may appear on your PC, especially when using the drive on a Linux system, as it is hidden in Windows Explorer. If you see this, do not format this partition. It is essential for Ventoy to function properly. If formatted, the Ventoy will unable to boot. Booting from this drive is relatively simple and follows the same process as any other bootable flash drive created with tools like Rufus, Acer, or similar. So first, reboot your PC. Now, you may keep pressing your BootMenu key according to your PC brand until the boot menu pops up. If you're not sure what yours is, just Google it or check the list I've added in the description. A menu like this will appear, but its layout and design may vary depending on your PC brand. Now, just select the drive where you installed Ventoy and press Enter. This is Ventoy boot menu. You can choose any of the operating systems you've copied to this drive. So first, I'm going to choose Windows 11. I'll go with normal boot. It's more stable and works better on most PCs than WinBoot. And voila, the Windows 11 setup has launched. Now, let's go ahead and launch Ubuntu. I'm going to select Ubuntu 18.04 from the list. And Ubuntu setup is up and running. One last thing before I wrap up. If you ever want to remove Ventoy from your USB drive, just open the Ventoy tool, go to Options, and click Clear. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing. It really helps me out as I'm just starting on YouTube. If you got any suggestions, noticed a mistake, or think I could improve something, I'd genuinely love to hear your feedback in the comments.